everybody, today at UPR Products we're going to show you the Bronco Sport catch can for the 1.5 liter engine. As you can see, it's shipped properly packed. The catch can itself is packed in a bubble mailer for further protection, and it's already assembled on the bracket. The bracket features UPR's exclusive quick release knob to easily remove the catch can from the bracket without tools. Catch can cup easily unscrews for servicing and dumping out, and it has a high quality Viton O-ring. UPR's exclusive billet diffuser design is inside, and the fittings are marked silver, so this one is going to go to your vacuum line, this is going to go to your PCB line. UPR's exclusive plug and play hoses feature Continental hose, our billet hose end collars, and push to click on plug and play connectors. Full instructions are also included for easy installation. That's the Bronco Sport 1.5 liter UPR catch can.